Today we are here with this great atmosphere. This special event is made for the first time today in Barcelona with about 150 people. Most of them are researchers with a very high potential. Some of them are already outstanding researchers, and they have attended the CERCA workshop about ERC Grants. And in this workshop we explain in each of the different type of grants of the European Research Council which are the main tips to have a successful application. So we combine the experience of people being awarded before with the grant and members of the evaluation panels together with the ambition of the applicant for the ERC grants. And we hope this cocktail of experience and ambition is giving us a result in a high number of new grants for ERC. In CERCA institutes, we have already over 150 ERC grants, considering CERCA between the top 10 players in Europe. And we need that our young researchers keep being very active in applications. And that's one of the ways we have to help European citizenship to be satisfied with the scientific issues.